Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel, and this is where I unbox the new product that I got from Mahindra. This is the overall packing they have done, which is a good job, and I'm using my regular craft blade to open it. Let's see how it unfolds inside. First thing I get to see right now is the Mahindra logo. It's quite interesting. And okay, yeah, that was the immediate reveal of what is inside. But yeah, let's open from the other side. This I think should be the bill of the product. I think it is. Yes, it is. So let's keep the bill aside for now and let's get on with the rest of the unboxing. Below the box I see some details regarding the manufacturing and all the warning and everything. On the side it says Mahindra Rise. I'm using this blade to cut off the tape to make it neater. If any kids are watching this, take help of any elders, your parents or anyone nearby. If you are planning to use a blade, don't cut yourself. This is the Bolero and it looks beautiful in this color. Seriously beautiful. The way it is sitting inside the box is like it's just kept for display in the showroom. And here are the details of the vehicle, the scale model. It has openable bonnet, doors, everything. Interior detailing is done, has pullback, action and release, headlights blink. This color, by the way, is the Rocky Beige color. This is actually identical to the Rocky Beige color that we get in a full-time actual Bolero car or SUV as you call it. This being a scale model, I think the scale being 1:32, this is trying to replicate it as much as possible. So let me quickly get the toy car out of the box, toy car or scale model, whatever you want to call it. The power to go beyond roads, even onto your mantelpiece. My God, that's quite a strong statement, Mahindra. But yeah, I think it takes us there. Nice. Okay, so that was the cover in which it was packed. This is where we let this beauty out of its box. If you notice, the upper body of this vehicle is held onto the box with transparent thread kind of structures, and the base is lashed onto the box with 4 screws and those pieces of plastic. And there are wheel arches as well under the box to rest the wheels. This is so cool. This is so well, packed and kept on display. So now I need a tool to get this vehicle unlatched, and I have my screwdriver here. Yeah. So let me just quickly open up these screws. This all feels quite cool when you get a new vehicle. It's similar to how we take a delivery of the vehicle and then we first get it stickered. If you are into religious beliefs, you put God sticker and you do some initial rituals, get the puja done and so on for the vehicle. If you are in India or anywhere else, wherever you believe in whatever form may be. And then the first thing we do, we take it somewhere special. But that's beyond this. But then yeah, the first few things when we open it up from the box, it actually feels quite special, So that's the amount of curiosity I'm having right now. I still just want to open up the vehicle and see how it looks. 4 screws done. I think I should be able to take them off now. Yeah. One more. Yeah, so took off these plastic pieces and the screws, the 4 screws. Now the vehicle should come off from the base. Yes. This is how the vehicle looks in the hand. The tiny transparent threads are still on it. The doors are openable with a nice thud. Pretty cool actually. The backside spare wheel and everything looks so damn good. I'm taking off these almost rubbery, plasticky, transparent strips from the vehicle now to just make it free. And this is the Bolero in rocky beige color, the Mahindra Bolero. My god, so great amount of detailing. See, it has the badge of Bolero at the back, and the wheels, the wheel cap, the wheel cover, and the way the wheel spins. My god, it looks so damn beautiful. It's all just perfect. Okay, so the next thing to do, I think, is to explore this vehicle a little bit. And yeah, that's the back side. The back, the third row cabin. Bonnet should just open up just like that. Yeah. Neatly detailed inside the bonnet as well. Not too messy. The back door is actually quite cool. And all the interior finishing, I mean the designing is so apt, feels so damn legit, like close to the real vehicle itself. It's so damn cool. Now the next thing to do is just open up this small hatch. I'm sure this is a battery compartment. You see that small plastic sticking out. Usually vehicles which have any kind of batteries installed in them, they keep that plastic so that the circuit is not complete and to avoid rusting. So what you need to do is just take off that plastic piece. This is how it looks, and keep it aside and close the hatch again. This metal piece over there will finish the circuit, and then all the battery equipment should work. Just don't lose this cover, and if you intend to keep the scale model inside for a while, you might as well use that small plastic to keep the circuit disconnected. So now it should be in its full form. Oh, it lights up when the door opens. It's quite cool. Look at the headlamps, the detailing, and the brightness as well. This thing would actually throw some light on the road. Quite cool. Nice. Hey Mahindra. So the lights light up when the doors are open. That's one observance till now. Okay. Yeah. Nice. So at this point I'm thinking, okay, even if you close the door, I see the light blinking once in a while. For example, it's on now. Not sure why that is happening. This is the first time I'm buying a collectible scale model from Mahindra, so I'm exploring this for the first time right now, so everything seems quite new to me. Okay, when I shake it also, it opened up. Is it because of the bonnet? No. Look at the detailing on this vehicle, the way Mahindra has written Bolero, the spare wheel, the door, the what do you say, the tiny door handles, everything is just so perfect. Even the interior, the padding on the door handles are like so damn cool, so well detailed. You can on this side also see those side seat kind of structures. Looks like it's folded up and kept. That's the passenger seat, the dashboard view from there. The grooves where you keep your utility items and everything. My god, this is so very well detailed. Even the grooves for the wheels, the wheel arches, the headlamps. So perfect. And this is the Bolero Power Plus, which came out in the recent years. So you have the updated styling on it. That's the driver's seat view. Even the steering wheel matches what we really get in the actual vehicle. Just that this is the 1:32 scale model. So there you have, guys, this is the Bolero Power Plus in Rocky Beige color, and this is how it looks on the go. Flashy, flashy, flashy. Okay, it looks like it's flashing these lights in a pattern when it is moving, so there should be some kind of reason to it. It's not just the doors that are making the lights go flashy. Is it the pullback? It keeps on flashing while going. Maybe that's the feature. Let's see how it works. Oh, it's the front wheel that's making the lights work. Nice, nice. Yeah, it is the front wheel. That's so cool. The rear wheel drives it, the front wheel makes the light work. Oh yeah, I see a small motorized curve below there, so there should be some kind of tiny sensor or a circuit finisher, and it's not there for the rear wheel, it's just the front. So that's how it works. It wasn't a glitch with the vehicle. There is something over there inside which is completing the circuit once in a while. Let's see if the doors are open whether it blinks. No, it doesn't. So if the doors are open, it's a continuous light glow, and if not, when the vehicle is moving, it's a blink based on circuit completion. That is so cool. So that's an additional feature, I believe, and this is so damn cool. Everything, I feel it's even worth the price overall. Look at the detailing on this vehicle. It stands so majestically. No wonder Bolero has been so famous in India. It's become a status quo now. Even if you buy a regular Bolero, people assume you are in either, the police force or something like that, because of the kind of status this vehicle has built for itself, the name, the fame. And now even the scale model looks so epic. This is so damn cool, Mahindra. Mahindra, nice. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. This will help me, it will motivate me to make more of such videos and bring more content like this to your disposal. Until next time then, have fun, take care and see ya.